Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to use the product rule, and I'll just show you with a couple of questions. So I've got the product rule written out right in front of us. Okay, now again, there's a lot of different notation that you'll see. Okay, so I'll explain what I've got. I've just got, say you've got a function, and then you have another function, so we'll call it fx and gx. And if they're multiplying and we're trying to differentiate that, we're going to have to use something called the product rule. Okay, again, there's a proof for this, but in this video I'm just going to show you how to use it. Okay, so just notice that there's a dash here, so it's f dash x, meaning we're going to differentiate fx, multiplied to gx, and then the other one we just swap it around. So you got fx and then you're differentiating the gx. Okay, so just in this example question, where we're trying to differentiate x squared and outside of x minus 5 to the power of 10. So if I was to say which one is fx and gx, right? So this one, right? So this would be your fx, and this here would be your gx. Okay, so those are your two functions. So we have the first one. By the way, it wouldn't really matter which one in the product rule, which one you label fx and gx. So even if I had these swapped the other way around, we're just going to do both of them anyway, since it's a plus, so it doesn't really matter which way you do it, right? So if you differentiate this, then I'm going to do f dash x first, so we're going to have 2x, and just write the other one down, plus fx, which is just x squared, and then we're going to differentiate gx. So that's going to be 10 x minus 5 to the power of 9. Okay, so let's just clean this up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factorize as much as I can. Okay, so it looks like I can factorize 2x as well as x minus 5 to the power of 9. Looks like that's what they have in common. And so in the first bracket we have, if I was to write it, let's just say x minus 5 to the power of 1, and then plus 5x. Right? Actually, whoops. This one here, we can simplify. So let's say 2x, x minus 5 to the power of 9, and looks like we have 6x minus 5. Okay, so yeah, that's basically how we do that question. Now maybe I'll just show you just one more example. And I'm going to do one with, when you're going to differentiate, say two brackets, say x squared plus 1 to the power of 3, and x plus 2. Okay, so again, I'll just highlight it for you. This first one is what I'll let fx, and then this one is your gx. So if I differentiate the first one, and then chain rule, which is differentiating the inside, 2x, and then multiplied by the original gx, plus fx, and then if we differentiate the purple one, which is gx, that's just 1, right? So I'm not going to write it. Okay, let's just clean this up a little bit. I'm just going to write this as 6x, x plus 2, x squared plus 1 squared. And you can factorize further if you like, but this is basically how you differentiate using the product rule. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for this video, and in the next one I'll show you how to use the quotient rule.